Hello there. We are going to unbox all these gifts from my school, from the parents of my student, and all the parents, and not even my student. So what happened was I was on vacation. So let's open this first. Wow, Ulta. Thank you for everything you do. Ah. Ulta, Starbucks, Walmart, restaurant, Starbucks from Dane. Starbucks from Dane. Dane. Chocolate. What's this? This is from the Shin family. Shin family. $25. You got Starbucks. Oh. Chocolate. More from Zaria. Oh, Zaria. $20 from Zaria. Ocean. Smells good. From, who's this from? I don't know. I don't know where this from. Oh, Matthias. Oh, Matthias. Cookie. God, dami. Candy cups. My cups. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Ooh. What is this? What's this? Yan natin. Aprons. Ah, so cute. So cute. Aprons. Ah, nice one. Another one from Santa Claus. Who's this from? Oh my God, hindi ko mabuksan. I can't open it. Ah. Woo. Here. More. Blankets. Look at this bag. It's ito pa? Oh my God, chocolate. Ang dami. So many. All the stuff for face. Drug. This is the Secret Santa. There's so many. Hello there! We just came home from work again, second day. Today is Tuesday, and guess what we have? May gift naman tayo uli. So, ito smells good. Time to open this gift. So, tingnan natin ito. Ito is says, Miss Flores from Kalina. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Card. Merry Christmas! Woo! Target. Gift card. Magkano kaya ito? Meron para akong Target. Dear Miss Flores, thank you for everything that you do to support Kalina and all the children at Primrose Happy Holidays. Okay? Another one is for Miss Flores. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, dalawa. Ano yun? Oh my God, dalawang card. Holy cow. Third, number 3. Tingnan natin kung anong laman nito. Card. Kapag may card, may laman. Bait-bait naman estudyante ko. Another card. Oh! Fourth card. Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman sa card. Of course, my tada, Sonic. I have a Sonic. Sonic. Here's our number 5 card. Fifth. Another one. Another gift card. Thank you so much. This is from regalo din. Ito yung aside from the card. What is this? Ano ito? Babe, look.
Hi, baby.
Oh, cookies. Cookies pala to. Cute. Number 6 card. Candle. Oh, smells so good. Flower. Oops. Ano yun? Picture. So cute. Candy cane here. Candy cane. So, maglagay tayo ng candy cane sa ating kape. Candy cane melted on our coffee. So, it's a mint coffee. This is our second day to have opening unboxing. So, Sonic gift card, Target gift card store, Starbucks again, Publix, and Target.